Hey, what's going on, you beautiful people? Welcome back to Ron Gen 1080p. In my today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to install your power supply unit for your desktop. So if you're a beginner on building PCs, I'm going to go through a whole series and show you how to install the motherboard, the case, the CPU, the CPU fan, everything. Just check the playlist up there in the corner, but I'm not going to do a whole lot of talking. I'm going to be doing this unboxing and show you guys how I install my power supply unit. Very easy. All right, as you guys can see, I open it up. It comes with an instruction manual, but the thing you want to do actually is make sure that your motherboard, CPU, and also your graphics card is enough for your power supply. So you just want to make sure that your power supply gives off enough wattage. So you just kind of add it up and see the requirements on your equipment to make sure you're getting the right power supply unit. First, you want to start off with your motherboard. I'm going to be saying that quite some time, but you want to start off with your motherboard first and make sure a lot of these pieces are compatible and will work. But you really shouldn't have no problem with power supplies with motherboards, but like far as different CPUs and GPUs. But this is just me going over the power supply. I'm not going to try to confuse you guys. I want to get right into putting together. See, it came with the manual, and also most of the time your power supply is going to come with these 5 different cables. They're for different things. Also, the cords that you see down there, one is for a graphics card, another is for your SSD, and also other I think like one more connection thing, but that's just the first part of it right here. Okay, you beautiful people, with most cases you can see that your panels are going to be on the back side, and you just want to make sure that mine just have 2 screws at the top and 1 at the bottom. And once it's off, I'm going to pull off this handle back here. You pull it off, and you can see at this bottom area right here where my hand is, that is where your power supply is going to go. And you can either have your fan up or down, but I'm going to put my fan in upwards. And you see that mine got a extra cable back here for my fans, because I got a total already 3 fans in, and these connections back here is for the 3 fans. You see they already all put together. I just have to get my cable. That was the extra cables for I showed you on the table earlier. One of these cables connect to this and also connects to my my power supply. Alright, you guys can see there's a bunch of cables already like kind of preset coming out of my power supply. And then some of you guys power supplies, all your cables are going to be not connected like this. Some power supplies do come connected like this already, like with a few cables already coming out, and there's some that you have to actually put them already in on one side. So you can see how I'm doing mine is I'm going to put mine in, and like 3 of these cables that's coming out of here that's going to go to the front, because I'm going to show you how to plug them in into my motherboard. So if you have this motherboard, this will help you know where to plug it in at. So a couple of these cables I'm going to run through my case, and I want to leave like 2 of them in the back because I'm going to run them through a certain way. I'm going to go through the whole process for you guys. So these, and I'm going to show you people in a little bit of where they actually go at. But for now, I'm going to see, I know that all my cables are already running out through, so I know the ones I need to plug in are already plugged into the power supply. So I'm not going to install it. And you see there's nothing but 4 screws. I want my fan to be turned upside down to draw air out of my case. So that's why I've got my fan turned this way, so it pulls air out of my case. You have another one that just the power, you could have your fan going in a different direction if you want to, but I like for mine to pull the air out of the case. This is my first build as well. So you see there's not but 4 screws. You're gonna, I line them up, put them in here, take the screws that's already in the box, and then start tightening them down into my case. So now my power supply is not going anywhere. So now I'm going to turn around and go to installing these cables. And this is where your 24 pin is going to go at right here. I'm showing you guys right here in the background picture to the right hand side, and this is where I ran it through and I just connected. It's going to be smooth. Make sure your clip side is on the right side that adjusts for clips. Turn it in there and push down. Don't push down too hard. Just be gentle with it. I see some people be a little rough, but I like to take care of my things. So just be a little gentle with it. Push it in. It should slide in quite easily. but this is the location. I got it going off in the background, but this is where your 24 pin is going to go. Alright, and your 8 pin is going to go in this location over here. This is the power of the CPU, I believe. This is definitely one you have to put into. This is going to give more power to your motherboard or the CPU. But with this cord right here, with this outlet, they all kind of look the same, but the one that works is the one, because my cords, they're separated by like 2. So on one side is going to be like 2 missing, like that's by itself, and the other 3 are going to be together. If your 2 is not going in like smoothly, do not try to put that one in. That is not the right cord. Get the other cords and put it in. If it's not going in smoothly, you should have another cord that looks just like that. Try and put that one inside of there. Your left hand side of it is going to go in easy. If it's not going in easy, that's not the right cord. You cannot mix them up. You won't mix them up. You will know the right one. If it's not going in easy, you have the wrong cord. But that's the location, and this is how you power it. You power and put in your supply, your PSU, power supply unit. That's how you put it in. Now for the GPU and other attachments, I'm going to have different videos on those. But for the main stuff, the GPU is the main one. So I have another video down here in my playlist, next video, for your graphics card, plugging it in and also giving it power. Not hard at all, but that is how I installed it. And also in the back of it, if you want to keep the cables neatly, you also can start doing your cable management. So I already have ties because I do cable management with my desk. So I have a bunch of ties left over from that. I'm going to use that to just go wrap around the cords, keep them all together, not pulling them tight or nothing like that, and just trying to keep them all scrapped together and nice. And once you put the case on, it's going to hide all them cables as well. But that is how you put in your power supply unit, guys. If this video was easy and helpful, let me know in the comment section. If you just want to leave a like down, that'd be highly appreciated. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to the channel, because I have more computer videos on the way for you guys. I'm going to be doing my video gaming and also my computers, because this is a part of gaming my computer. So I'm going to introduce you guys into computers as I'm learning about it as well. But thank you guys for tuning into the channel. This has been Ron Jen 1080p. I'm going to catch you beautiful people in the next video.